shot. Flickering strings of code cascade over ancient Greek statues, then morph into scenes of people scrolling on their phones, oblivious. Host, dramatic tone. If free will is just an illusion, who's truly pulling your strings? Welcome to the era where algorithms know you better than you know yourself, and every choice you make might already be written in their lines of code. Cut 2. Clips from The Matrix, Neo dodging bullets, Westworld, androids questioning reality, and Black Mirror, herds of people following app instructions. Host, on camera. Imagine this. You wake up, swipe your phone, scroll through tailored news, let the next video autoplay, let a dating app pick your matches, then order what the algorithm suggests for dinner. Did you choose any of this? Or have you outsourced your fate to a silent, invisible overlord called the algorithm? Gritty music rises. This isn't science fiction anymore. Behind every flick of your thumb is a statistical prediction, mapping your next move. Have our digital lives transformed us into NPCs, non-playable characters, intelligently guided through a simulation of choice? Cut 2. Montage of people in everyday situations, each paralleled with code and algorithmic pathways overlaid, threading through mundane activities. Narration. Let's get under the hood. In 2024, recommendation engines decide what you watch, hear, read, and even, sometimes, what you believe. Machine learning models track every like, pause, and purchase down to a microsecond. They sketch a profile of not only who you are, but who you might be, the person you haven't even become yet. Host, leading in conspiratorially. These systems don't just predict you, they nudge you. Tiny digital tugs, suggested videos, trending hashtags, micro-targeted ads, steering you along a path more profitable, more efficient, or just plain easier to model. Your fate optimized for someone else's benefit. Brief clip. MIT scientist explaining predictive analytics in social behavior. Narration. Sound familiar? In Westworld, robots believe they're making their own choices, until they realize every decision was scripted by an unseen writer. In our version, the creator is no longer a person, but a web of algorithms, data centers, and AI-driven incentives. Visual, quantum dice roll, but outcome is a computer-rendered sequence of ones and zeros, not numbers. Host, is it paranoia or the digital age truth? Consider the phenomenon of algorithmic determinism. When smart fridges order your groceries and smart homes adjust your mood lighting, choice evaporates. And with AI now writing blockbusters, generating music, even composing news, how do you know the next thought in your head isn't a subtle derivative of something a machine slipped into your feed? Thunderous transition sound. Narration. Scientists call this the filter bubble. You call it your daily life. Your bubble is one of billions. Networked together, they create a grand